Well, we said September was going to be a month to remember, and certainly right now it is holding up exactly to that sentiment. A massive day for XRP. Lots of people questioning why the price isn't moving, but truly, what does this mean if you're holding XRP? And more importantly, what does it mean for the price in the long term? I'm going to break down exactly what's going on with the whole grayscale XRP Trust, and more importantly, what does it pave the way for? All of that in this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So less than 12 hours ago, Grayscale officially announced its XRP Trust. It says, "We are proud to announce the creation of a new single asset crypto investment fund, Grayscale XRP Trust, which will be available through private placement, available to eligible accredited investors." So just straight away off the bat, that means that you and I, the average investor, is not eligible to get involved with this. But this isn't the point of this. This, I guess, isn't the point of why I want to talk specifically about why it is. Yes, it's great for XRP holders. Yes, it's great for further adoption, but it's bigger than that. There's much more going on behind the scenes, and that's why ultimately the average investor is not allowed it, and more importantly, what it is setting the way for. Now, if you cast your mind back to many, many moons ago, 2013 to be precise, in fact, the 25th of September, 2013, over 11 years ago, what did we get? Well, we got the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Many of you now know that to be ultimately Grayscale's ETF that has consistently been dumping Bitcoin on the market. But this was one of the first trusts to happen. Grayscale were the first people to put a Bitcoin trust together. Now, remember, the difference here between a trust and an ETF is ETFs have to be agreed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. It's important to reference that fact that trusts can just be set up as it's a choice of who invests them. When they're an SEC approved, they're ultimately a traded product. It's a very different thing to think about, but they were the first people to bring a Bitcoin trust. Now, many of you are probably already thinking, did they do the same with Ethereum? The answer is yes. They were the first people to bring an Ethereum trust to the market as well. Now, think of both of those things converted in court to official ETF products. This is why people are incredibly excited about this notion. And my view, by the way, is absolutely the same as everyone else, that my opinion right now is Grayscale is front running an XRP ETF. They want to hold this coin. They want to hold the market. They want to have the ability, the same as they've had with Bitcoin and Ethereum, to control, manipulate, and more importantly, dump on the market in years to come. Now, what does it look like from a potential timescale? Well, 6 to 8 months is what people are expecting before we see an XRP ETF. Everybody thought it was Solana. Well, turns out it's more likely now to be XRP. Remember, I just want to come back and just give a view here, but the company published an intended 4-phase product lifecycle for its XRP Trust, leaving open the possibility for an ETF at some point in the future. And ultimately, they are accredited for bringing the first set of ETFs to Wall Street. So it all lines up perfectly for basically mass adoption, but institutional adoption for XRP. Now, this is where it gets interesting because we know that XRP continues to build out partners. We know XRP is continuing to build out big institutional footprints. And we also know that RLUSD is only going to be issued through institutional operations and operating companies. Very interesting. So this is just another bit of the puzzle. This is obviously just XRP, Ripple, building out some real core foundations of how this goes out. And like I said, everyone is getting pretty excited about what comes. Could we see, as this article here from CryptoRank give us a $10 XRP? You know that price predictions are pretty wild, but lots of people are expecting, and I would assume would expect, a significant rally. $10 would be a 20x from where we are, with a market cap of nearly $600 billion. And ultimately, therefore, we need to see the market move significantly until we hit some of these levels. And that could be coming soon. Don't forget, rate cuts coming in, say, September the 18th. It could be good news as well. So when we take a look at the price, what's happened? Well, no surprise, we got that big wick candle up to 59.20. I actually saw the news early. Someone that we know that deals a lot with the XRP news tweeted me early and said, hey, check this out. This is coming. We got in a long position trading on MEXC. There is a link in the description if you want to do the same. same on a 25x leverage long. Turned out to be a very nice trade. We closed it around 58.50, I think it was. But if you are interested in trading some leverage, do check out MEXC in the description if you want to get a fantastic bonus. There's also Prime XBT down there as well, giving you fantastic bonuses on your trades. But the price breaking over some of these key support levels here on the daily chart, which is good news. And I guess this may grow legs up 5.5. Bitcoin still holding around 58.2. But if we see some more momentum back to the upside, all around where we're going to be retesting a 62-cent level, could see XRP break out. Lots of positives showing right now. We see the longer term volatility measures looking to the upside, as well as our RSI divergence pointing north as well. So great news for anyone involved in XRP. I think lots of people are a little bit expecting this to absolutely rally 15, 20, 25% like we saw with those ETFs. Remember, this is just the announcement. They're basically saying what they're going to do. The debate now will be, is it going to be an OTC deal? Will this come out of escrow? Will Ripple do some deal with GBTC or Grayscale, as it were? Or are they going to go to exchanges and buy this? All of which will come, and you know who's going to be covering it. You know who's going to bring you the latest and most up-to-date information when it comes to XRP. That's right. Stupid Crypto channel. All you need to do, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on and click all. That way you're notified every time we upload a new video or our live streams 6 days a week. But until next time, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of all of this? And as ever, I appreciate your time, appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.